Northern Illinois Federal Credit Union members, Focus Tax Solutions and Choice Advisors has been providing educational workshops on financial topics, tax reduction, things like that in the past. And as you know, under the current COVID situations, it's unacceptable right now based on social norms to have large group events. And therefore, we've got a plan. We've been interacting with so many people like yourself, single people, families, and what we've seen is that COVID has provided a disruption in some regard for everyone. And therefore, now the time for just some simple guidance is more important than ever. What we're offering through this email, you can click on the link below, or I'll have Tim Garby, your local representative, give a call to you. But we're offering now personal consultations. So what that means, just like we've been doing here, is we're interacting with people like yourself, just starting a little dialogue, trying to figure out how you've been affected, and just through a series of questions, seeing if there's any opportunities that you're missing or any mistakes that you're about to make. So again, we know from the calls that we've been having already, so many people like yourself, right now, it's just a crazy time and there's things going on in your lives. We just want to make sure during this time, you're not overlooking any opportunities that may better your family or making any mistakes that may cost you more money than you need to as you're making your financial decisions. So again, we're opening this up as an opportunity for you, and I hope to talk to you in the near future. Click on the link below, or again, expect a call from Tim Garby, your local representative, so that we can coordinate a personal meeting.